Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today, we have an update on natural gas. On the daily chart, natural gas has been trading with a doji formation at the resistance of the previous swing highs. Prices now has a support of an upward sloping trend line at 222, followed by the level of 218, while the resistance should be at the recent high of 240. A close above that should initiate a fresh bullish move. The one-term indicator RSI has a negative crossover as it moves from the overbought zone supporting the bearish move. Thus, any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity to target the level of 220 and 218 with a reversal above the close of 240. Hence, we expect natural gas to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.